Thermëa Spa Village opened a week ago today, and thanks to all of you who watched the video about our pro tips on what to expect. As a result, a lot of people have been asking whether or not it's worth it to book in the winter. My answer is a definite yes, and to show you why, I'll take you to our other spa visit that we did in December. But first, please like and subscribe so I can share more cool and unique finds with you, as well as tips like this. Our winter spa experience takes us about an hour and 15 minutes north of the city to Oromadante to Vetta Nordic Spa, which just opened in December. I won't be covering our full day experience in this video. Just stay tuned for my next one for that. Instead, we're going to be highlighting all the reasons why booking a spa visit in the winter is a definite yes for me. First off, how picturesque is the blanketed snow? After taking in this overview view, say that 3 times fast, we went to the change room and then headed outside. Again, I'll cover all that in my next video. So both Thermëa and Vetta are Nordic spas, which offer a style of hydrotherapy. It's been popular in Scandinavia for generations. Hydrotherapy is the process of taking your body from extremely hot to extremely cold temperatures, and that strengthens your immune system, purifies your body, and also helps to soothe various aches and pains. So that being said, you can see how it doesn't make a difference whether you go in the heat of the summer or the freezing cold of winter. Now, each experience is slightly different, however, because when we went to Thermëa, it was a warm day out, so therefore we didn't spend as much time in the hot tubs as I did when I went to Vetta, which is an extremely freezing day out, so the hot tubs and the saunas were very welcomed. When we went to Thermëa, we spent a lot more time in the common areas because the hot was really nice. The cold, when we eventually got there, it was really nice too, but in between we enjoyed just chilling outside. Both venues have heated sidewalks, so in the winter I highly recommend though that you still bring your shoes. Okay, maybe not quite like this sticker, but some flip-flops anyway. Because the sidewalks, despite not having snow on it because they are heated, they still are freezing cold. We really enjoyed our winter Nordic spa visit because on the day we went, it was snowing and it actually made it extra magical and even more relaxing. My pro tip recommendation from my previous video that Twilight is worth sticking around for stands true in the winter, even more so because it is very magical at night. Another pro tip I have to offer about your winter spa visit is to bring/wear a hat. It makes the experience so much more enjoyable as you lose 10% of your body heat through your head. Not to mention it makes for cute pictures. So there you have it. Those are my reasons why when people ask me if they should book Thermëa in the winter, I say definitely yes. Hydrotherapy is good year-round, so definitely don't let the outdoor weather or season affect your decision to book. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified when I upload my next video about Vetta Nordic Spa and my cool and unique stays. Thanks for watching.